Okay, guys, Rooster here in Tennessee. Looking at a nice used amp here. This one's pending sold. I haven't received any payment on it or anything, but gentleman I've done some dealings with before and met in person claims he wants to take it. So just want to do this little video before we do any wheeling and dealing on it. Straight 8-pill Davemade. This has got the cabinet where the top just comes off here. You can access the inside without taking the sides or whatever off of it. They stay on it. Got two fans on it. Straight 8-pill Toshiba 2879s. It's never had a transistor put in it, and it does have the non-red dot 2879s in it. So it's never had a pill put in it. Non-red dot 2879s, Toshiba brand ones, and we're going to test it here. I'm not set up properly to test it at full power. Ideally, we'd probably be hitting this thing with a couple of 2879s. I'm just going to hit it with a couple 1446s, so, 225 watts or so. Probably what we're putting into it. We'll take, 300, 350. Some people run more than that into them, but 300, 350 watts go good with it. Being Toshiba 2879s, 15 volts plus, you can run if you wanted to, but again, pretty good shape the amp is. This one actually belonged to my brother, and he's basically babied it since he's had it. I think he just drove it to 1600 watts and never really pushed it, so we've just got it kind of rigged up here to test it real quick. We're going to be testing at 15.1, give you a general idea of what it'll do. We'll just give you a good audio into it right now. Like I said, I don't have the juice coming to my supply to really run it, but we'll see how it does anyway here with about 225 watts PEP going in. So give it a good audio. Audio. What, 125 amps or so, give or take. We'll show what it's doing average power. Now that was with the driver and the big box running off the same supply, so both of them drawing 125. 2500 watt slug is what we've got in here right now, if you guys can see. There we go. Top scale, average power. Say bumper dicky there. Keying about 250. About 800 average, give or take. About 900 average there. Now we'll go to peak. Audio check check, 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 audio. 1750, 1800. It will do more. Like I said, we're only putting 200 watts PEP into it. It will do more, properly set up on a little bit better power supply system with more juice coming out of the wall. I fully know that it'll hit 1,000 watts average, and it'll do over 2K PEP. But that's it, Toshiba 2879s. I wish they were still in production. This amp is a good testament to the good quality amp. Never had a transistor put in it, so again, this one is pending sold. We would stay on it longer, but I can already tell my dummy load's getting hot over here in the floor. I only got a 1500 watt dummy load, so when we put some pressure on it, I can start smelling it getting a little warm over here. Davemade, straight 8 2879 Toshiba. This one is pending sold. All right, appreciate it, guys. Rooster in Tennessee. See you. Bye.